What I'll show you now is how to create a flowchart from scratch and also to ask the AI questions about it for improvements. So I'll click New Chat here, and then I'll say create a flowchart of a bank's onboarding compliance checks process, and we'll use the core model, which is faster for generating. So it's generated this flowchart here, and now I'm going to ask it to list 3 ways that it could be improved. Okay, and now I'm going to ask it to implement the second suggestion, which was to automate data verification. And now we can see that a second version of the flowchart has been created. And if I just flick back to version 1, I can compare the differences. So yeah, as I flick to version 2, I can see, okay, perform automated data check has been added here. So just to summarize, it's taken the initial flowchart I asked for, it's listed ways to improve it, and then it's implemented one of the improvements in the flowcharts. So let's say that I want to put this chat into a folder with other chats. So firstly, let's give it a name. Let's call it onboarding compliance checks process. So I'll just name it up here. And then I'll move this into the first folder. And now we can see how our team's chats and flowcharts are building up. And I can do this as many times as I want. And I can also, when I'm creating a new flowchart, if I actually want to start drawing it, I can click draw flowchart here and I can draw out a flowchart. And then I can make that the final one, or I can ask for advice or improvements from the AI directly. So finally, if I just go to the flowcharts page here, I can go to folder 1 again, and now I can see the 3 flowcharts that we have, including the one that I've just created recently. So that was a quick overview of BA Copilot. You can try it yourself at ba-copilot.com for free.